Quesadilla is typically a tortilla filled in with cheese, cooked on a griddle and enjoyed. It is originally a Mexican dish. You can also be creative, add some beans, vegetables or your choice of meat. Welcome to Easy Food with DG with me Darshan Gokani. Today we will make quesadillas for a meal, either lunch or dinner, with apni gehu ki roti, sour cream, spinach, cheese, spiced beans, jalapeños, pepper, salt and taco masala. Let's get cooking. Thank you for watching another episode of Easy Food with DG. Today, I showed you my version of a quesadilla. How about you send in your recipes to me on what kind of quesadillas you like on easyfoodwithdg@gmail.com, and remember to share your pictures on my Instagram handle easyfoodwithdg. Adios amigos!